Hello students, welcome to my channel My Maths Teacher. I am teacher Krupa with one more video on the lesson linear regression. This is the 10th video on this lesson. So students, as you know, we have already started with the properties of regression coefficients and we have already solved question number 1 to 8 of exercise 3.2. Today we'll be solving question number 9 and 10. So let's start. See, question number 9 is, given the following data, obtain linear regression, estimate of x for y is equal to 10. X bar is equal to 7.6, y bar is 14.8, sigma x is 3.2, sigma y is equal to 16 and r is equal to 0.7. Now let us first write what is given. X bar is equal to 7.6, then y bar is equal to 14.8, sigma x is equal to 3.2, sigma y is equal to 16 and r is equal to 0.7. Now students, you can see over here we have to find the value of x for y is equal to 10. That means we have to find the equation of linear regression of x on y, which is given as x is equal to a dash plus bxy into y. Now we need to first find bxy and a dash. So let's find bxy. bxy is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y. So let us substitute the values of r, sigma x and sigma y. Now r is given as 0.7 into sigma x is 3.2 upon sigma y, that is 16. So we get bxy is equal to, here 16 ones are 16 and 16 twos are 32. So 0.2 you get over here. And 0.7 into 0.2 is equal to 0.14. This is the value of bxy. Now let us find a dash. A dash is equal to x bar minus bxy into y bar. Now what is x bar? X bar is equal to 7.6 minus bxy, we have got 0.14 into y bar. Y bar is 14.8. So we get 7.6 minus 0.14 into 14.8 is 2.072. So 7.6 minus 2.072 is equal to 5.528. This is your a dash. So now let us substitute the values of bxy and a dash in the line of regression of x on y. It is written as x is equal to a dash. A dash is 5.528 plus bxy is 0.14 into y. So this is your regression equation of x on y. Now we have to estimate x when y is equal to 10. So therefore when y is equal to 10, x will be equal to 5.528 plus 0.14 into 10. So we get 5.528 plus 0.14 into 10 will be equal to 1.4. So that is equal to 6.928. That's the value of x. So we can write when y is equal to 10, x is equal to 6.928. So this completes your question number 9. Very simple and short sum. So let's start with question number 10. Question number 10 is an inquiry of 50 families to study the relationship between expenditure on accommodation, that is X, and expenditure on food and entertainment, that is Y, gave the following results. Summation X is equal to 8,500, summation Y is equal to 9,600, then sigma X is equal to 60, sigma Y is equal to 20, and R is equal to 0.6. Estimate the expenditure on food and entertainment when expenditure on accommodation is rupees 200. So as usual, first let us write what is given. See, an inquiry of 50 families. That means n is equal to 50. Correct? Then given summation x is equal to 8,500. Then summation y is equal to 9,600. Then sigma x is equal to 60. Sigma y is equal to 20. And R is equal to 0.6. Now we have to estimate the expenditure on food and entertainment. Now food and entertainment is stored in Y. When expenditure of accommodation is rupees 200. That means we have to find Y when X is equal to 200. That means we have to find the equation of regression of Y on X. Right? So first, now here they have not given us X bar and Y bar. So we need to find the X bar and Y bar. Okay. So let us find out. Therefore, X bar is equal to summation X upon N. So that is 8,500 upon 50. So here you get 170. So X bar is equal to 170. Then let us calculate Y bar. Y bar is summation Y upon N. That is 9,600 upon 50. So that comes to 192. So we got X bar is equal to 170 and Y bar is equal to 192. Now BYX is equal to R into sigma Y upon sigma X. So let us substitute the values. R is equal to 0.6 into sigma Y. Sigma Y is 20 and sigma X is 60. So we get here 20 ones are 20, 23s are 60 and 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. So here 0.2. So BYX is equal to 0.2. Now let us calculate A. A is equal to Y bar minus BYX into X bar. So substitute the values. Y bar is 192 minus BYX we have got 0.2 into X bar. x bar is 170. So we get 192 minus 170 into 0.2 will be equal to 34. So 192 minus 34 is equal to 158. Okay, now let us write the regression equation of y on x. It is given as y is equal to a plus byx into x. So a is 158 plus byx, we have got 0.2 into x. So this is the equation of regression of y on x. Now our question is, we have to estimate y when x is equal to 200. So let us put x is equal to 200 in this equation. So when x is equal to 200, y is equal to 158 plus 0.2 into 200. So 158 plus 40 is 198. So y is equal to 198 when x is equal to 200. Now let us write the final answer. Hence, the estimated expenditure on food and entertainment will be rupees 198 when expenditure on accommodation is rupees 200. So students, with this we finish first 10 sums of exercise 3.2. Only last 2 sums are remaining now, which we will be doing in the next video. Till then, keep practicing maths. So students, I am sure as usual you must have liked this video. So please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the notifications of this channel. Keep practicing, keep enjoying maths. Thank you and goodbye.